Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You're going to stop CarPlay now. First, ensure the car is parked and safe. With the engine on or accessory mode, unlock your phone and go to Settings General CarPlay to view connections. If a USB cable is active, unplug it now so the system loses the wired link. Once done, glance at the infotainment display for the CarPlay interface. If it's still active, you'll move to the in-car controls next to terminate the session properly. Now take direct action in the car. Press Home or Menu on the head unit to exit CarPlay. Navigate to the unit settings or connections to find the paired phone and choose End Session or Forget Device. For wireless CarPlay, you should also turn off Bluetooth and Wi-Fi on the phone or in the head unit. This removes the handshake that reestablishes the session. Make sure to confirm the screen returns to the native vehicle UI. That tells you CarPlay is fully closed. Finish by verifying both devices are cleanly reset. Restart your iPhone, and if possible, reboot the car's infotainment system to clear lingering sessions. If CarPlay still appears, check for iOS and head unit software updates and apply them. Outdated firmware often causes reconnection loops. As a troubleshooting tip, swap the USB cable or test with another phone to determine if the problem is the cable, phone, or car. If none of that works, contact the
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.